Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The Diagnostic Trouble Code, DTC U1297, indicates a communication loss between the left and right side BSI radar units in the 2011 to 2017 Honda Odyssey. BSI stands for Blind Spot Information, which utilizes radar technology to detect vehicles in the adjacent lanes, providing safety through alerts to drivers. The left and right BSI radar units are located on either side of the vehicle, typically mounted near the rear bumper. These sensors are critical for the functionality of features such as lane change alerts and collision avoidance warnings. When one unit loses communication with the other, it can severely impair vehicle safety features. Therefore, diagnosing and resolving this issue is essential for maintaining vehicle performance and safety. The error codes U1297 and U1280F are related to a loss of communication between the left and right BSI radar units. The BSI radar units are integral components of the blind spot information system, responsible for sensing objects in adjacent lanes. When either side's radar unit fails to communicate, the system cannot perform its intended safety functions. The left side BSI radar unit is typically situated on the driver's side, while the right unit is located on the passenger side. These units work in tandem, and permanent loss of communication can lead to driver alerts being disabled. Diagnosing these units effectively is crucial for ensuring that the blind spot information system performs optimally. Several possible causes can lead to the generation of DTC U1297 and U128F. Firstly, wiring or connector issues are common culprits, as damaged or corroded wires disrupt signal transmissions between the radar units. Secondly, a faulty BSI radar unit can also trigger these DTCs. If one unit is defective, it may not communicate properly with the other. Additionally, intermittent electrical faults, such as momentary short circuits, can lead to transient communication losses, causing DTC activation without ongoing issues. Addressing and diagnosing these potential causes systematically ensures that the problem is resolved and the safety features are restored effectively. Always utilize the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, during troubleshooting efforts. Symptoms associated with DTCs, U1297 and U128F, include inoperative blind spot alerts, which effectively means that the relevant safety features are not functioning as intended. Drivers may notice warning lights illuminated on the dashboard, indicating a fault within the blind spot information system. Additionally, there may be other system malfunctions, such as failure to detect vehicles in adjacent lanes or a delayed response in alert notifications. As the BSI system heavily relies on communication between the two radar units, any disruption can lead to compromised vehicle safety. Recognizing these symptoms is vital for timely troubleshooting and repair, ensuring the driver can depend on safety features while operating the vehicle. The first troubleshooting step involves pressing the engine start-stop button to select the on mode. In this mode, the vehicle's electronics are activated without starting the engine, allowing for diagnostic checks on various systems. It's crucial to ensure that all diagnostic equipment, including the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, is on standby and ready to assess the vehicle's systems. Selecting the on mode is essential to initializing communication between the HDS and the vehicle's onboard computer systems. This step is necessary to prepare the vehicle for further diagnostics, ensuring that all error codes can be accurately accessed. Remember, the HDS is an essential tool for diagnosing DTCs. The second troubleshooting step is to clear the diagnostic trouble codes using the Honda Diagnostic System. Clearing these codes resets the system, allowing any potential intermittent issues to be ruled out. This process is vital, as it helps to ensure that any previously recorded faults will not interfere with current diagnostics. After clearing, it's essential to recheck for any lingering DTCs. If DTCs reappear after clearing, it indicates an ongoing issue that requires further investigation. This step is critical for distinguishing between transient errors and persistent faults in the system. After clearing the DTCs, the next step is to press the engine start-stop button to select the off mode. This power cycling of the vehicle is essential as it helps to reset various electronic systems within the vehicle. This step allows all modules connected to the power supply to turn off completely and reset their status, enabling accurate diagnostics upon the next startup. It's important to give the vehicle a brief moment to fully power down before moving on to the next step, ensuring that all systems are in a stable state. Proper power cycling can assist in refreshing system communication, thereby reducing the risk of false diagnostics. The fourth troubleshooting step instructs the technician to press the engine start-stop button to select the on mode again and wait for at least 2 seconds. This pause allows for all systems, particularly the radar units, to initialize properly. Ensuring that the units have sufficient time to communicate with each other is crucial for detecting possible issues. This waiting period facilitates a thorough assessment of the vehicle's electronic modules, improving the chances of obtaining accurate diagnostic information. After waiting, the technician must be prepared to check for codes once more to ascertain whether any issues remain in the system. This step is essential in minimizing diagnostic errors. The final troubleshooting step is to check for any DTCs using the Honda Diagnostic system. If DTC U1297 or U128F is still indicated, this confirms that the communication loss between the radar units is still present. In this case, it's necessary to follow through with multiplex integrated control system general troubleshooting, as specified in the manual. This process will involve a more detailed diagnosis of the interconnected modules that could contribute to the communication failure. If the error codes do not reappear, it suggests that the initial communication loss was an intermittent fault, and the system is currently functioning correctly. It also indicates a need for careful monitoring to determine if the issue arises again. Once all troubleshooting steps have been completed, the final repair verification is crucial for ensuring the problem has been resolved. This involves confirming the functionality of the blind spot information system to ensure it is operating correctly. Technicians should perform additional checks to verify that all error codes have been cleared and that there are no warning indicators shown on the dashboard. It's also recommended to conduct a test drive of the vehicle to observe the BSI system in action under real driving conditions. If the alerts function properly and no DTCs reappear, this suggests successful repair. Documenting any findings or necessary follow-up actions is important for maintaining vehicle records. Preventive maintenance is crucial for avoiding future issues with the BSI radar units and related systems. Regular inspection of the radar units should be conducted to check for physical damage or obstruction, as this can impair their functionality. Additionally, maintaining clean and secure wiring connections is vital, as corrosion or loose connections can lead to communication problems between modules. Routine checks of all relevant electronic modules can help identify issues before they escalate into larger problems. Technicians should also review the vehicle's wiring harness for any signs of wear and tear. Engaging in such preventive practices can significantly enhance the reliability and longevity of the vehicle's safety systems. In conclusion, Addressing DTC U1297 and U128F is essential for maintaining the safety integrity of the Honda Odyssey. Effective diagnosis through the outlined troubleshooting steps forms the backbone of any repair process. It is vital to ensure that the communication between the left and right BSI radar units is restored, and their functionality is verified post-repair. Engaging in routine preventive maintenance can further reduce the likelihood of encountering similar issues in the future, fortifying the vehicle's operational reliability. By keeping a diligent lookout for symptoms and maintaining the BSI system, drivers can enjoy the benefits of enhanced safety features with confidence and assurance. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.